Today we're going to talk about connectors. Well, you say, what are connectors? Well, simple. Those are words or some small phrases that connect ideas. We have two types of connectors. When you want to explain a reason for something, or connectors when you want to explain the result of something. Okay? This is the idea. Connectors for explaining reasons. Okay? Well, you use in order that, so that, because of, due to. Remember, these are the connectors to explain reason for doing something and explain result of something. So, therefore, as a result, consequently. Again, so, therefore, as a result, consequently. Okay? Remember, connectors connect ideas when you want to explain reason and when you want to explain results. Now, let's see some examples. Now, let's see the examples for explaining the reason for doing something. Okay? It says, in order that we can continue, please provide your information. We have examples. Let's read them. It says, in order that we can continue, please provide your information. The connector. In order that. What are we explaining? We're explaining the reason. Okay? Second example. We need your information because our policy. We need your information. It's because our policy. Here, it's because you are explaining the reason for the first action. In the second sentence, you explain the reason for the first action. Here, in the first sentence, you explain the situation, why we need the information, okay? You explain the reason why you need something in this case. Now, let's see the connectors, examples for connectors of result. Okay? Here we have, we need more money, so we've applied for a loan. Okay? Connector. So, second sentence, we need more money, therefore we have to apply for a loan. Connector. Therefore. Okay? You explain in the first sentence, we need more money. You say what you need in this case, okay? And in the second sentence, you explain what you've done. What's the result for this? Okay? Here, the same. We need more money. Well, what's the result? Okay, so we've applied for a loan. Okay? Remember, so and therefore have the same meaning, but you cannot begin the sentence with so. You can begin a sentence with therefore, for example, yeah? Then, after a comma, you begin with so. Well, after these examples, if you need more information, if you need more exercises, please, you can comment and we can talk together, okay? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.